This is a demonstration of the biological process of meiosis and is split into meiosis I and meiosis II. It begins with interphase and then enters prophase I. In this stage, the homologous chromosomes pair up and cross over, exchanging genes. The exchange is assisted by recombination enzymes and contributes to genetic diversity. The next step, metaphase I, is when the recombined chromosomes line up in pairs and the nuclear envelope breaks down. In anaphase I, the chromosomes move to opposite ends of the cell. Then, in telophase I, the cell splits into two in a process called cytokinesis, when the cytoplasm splits in half. There is no DNA replication, and the two cells then enter meiosis II, which is similar to mitosis and forms 4 haploid cells. In prophase II, the spindle fibers form and the nuclear envelope breaks down. The chromatin forms chromosomes. In metaphase II, the chromosomes line up across the middle of the cell, just as in meiosis I. In anaphase II, the sister chromatids separate and are pulled to opposite poles of the cell. In telophase II, cytokinesis occurs again and the two cells separate, creating 4 individual haploid cells. Meiosis and mitosis are similar and different in many ways. They are both associated with cytokinesis, and second, daughter cells are produced from parent cells in both. The same fundamental steps occur in both processes. One difference is that cellular division occurs twice in meiosis and only once in mitosis. The second is that in meiosis, the daughter cells are not identical, but in mitosis they are. Meiosis contributes to genetic diversity in that during prophase I the recombination of genes occurs, and the chromosomes now have a unique set of genes, thus introducing a wide variety of genetic traits. Meiosis II is more similar to mitosis because sister chromatids separate in meiosis II, which is similar to mitosis. Homologous chromosomes separate in meiosis I and is not similar to mitosis. The error that we chose to model is a non-disjunction. In this, homologous chromosomes don't separate, so one cell or gamete receives 3 of the same chromosomes and the other gamete receives none. This non-disjunction can cause trisomy and monosomy, which can lead to certain inherited diseases such as Down syndrome. It is the most common cause of mental retardation in humans and occurs in one of about 600 to 800 births. Gametes are haploid cells, so in this particular case, even though there are 3 homologous pairs to begin with, only 4 haploid cells are created, so the number of gametes produced would be 4.